Hey everyone! Welcome back to Wordalust. Today, we have an exciting topic for all you travel enthusiasts out there. Whether you're a first-time traveler or looking to enhance your travel experiences, we've compiled a list of 10 essential travel tips for beginners. So, buckle up and get ready to become a pro at traveling. Let's dive right into it. 1. Do thorough research before your trip. The first and foremost tip is to do thorough research before your trip. This includes learning about the destination's culture, customs, local laws, and weather conditions. Researching local attractions, restaurants, and transportation options will save you time and ensure a smoother experience. 2. Plan your budget. It's essential to have a budget in mind for your trip. Consider expenses such as accommodation, transportation, food, attractions, and souvenirs. Having a budget will help you prioritize your spending and avoid overspending. Remember, it's always better to have some wiggle room for unexpected expenses. 3. Pack smartly. Packing light is the key to hassle-free travel. Make a list of essentials and try to pack versatile clothing items that can be mixed and matched. Roll your clothes instead of folding them to save space. Don't forget travel-sized toiletries and a first aid kit. And lastly, always pack a photocopy of your important documents, just in case. 4. Stay organized. Staying organized during your trip is vital. Keep your important documents like passports, tickets, and ID cards in a secure and easily accessible pouch or wallet. Utilize travel apps for planning and storing your itinerary, and make sure to have a backup of important information on your phone or in the cloud. 5. Be cautious with your valuables. When traveling, it's important to keep your valuables safe. Invest in a reliable, anti-theft backpack or purse. Keep your belongings close and avoid showcasing expensive jewelry or electronics in public. Utilize hotel room safes whenever possible and consider purchasing travel insurance to protect your valuables. 6. Be culturally sensitive. Respect the local culture and customs of your destination. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language, be mindful of appropriate clothing, and follow local customs. Be aware of local traditions and regulations to avoid any unintentional disrespect or legal troubles. 7. Stay connected. Staying connected while traveling is essential, especially for emergencies or keeping in touch with loved ones. Research local SIM card options or consider purchasing an international roaming plan from your provider. Utilize Wi-Fi hotspots and download offline maps or translation apps before your trip. 8. Take care of your health. Prioritize your health while traveling. Stay hydrated, get enough sleep, and eat nutritious meals. Research any necessary vaccinations for your destination and pack a small first aid kit with essential medications. If you have any pre-existing conditions, make sure to carry enough medication and consult your doctor before traveling. 9. Respect the environment. It's important to be responsible travelers and respect the environment. Dispose of waste properly, follow designated trails and paths, and support local conservation efforts. Be mindful of your ecological footprint and opt for eco-friendly alternatives when possible. 10. Embrace spontaneity and have fun. Lastly, embrace spontaneity and have fun. Leave room in your itinerary for unexpected adventures, interact with locals, try new foods, and immerse yourself in the local culture. Remember, traveling is about creating memories and experiences that will last a lifetime. So, there you have it, our top 10 essential travel tips for beginners. By following these tips, you'll be well prepared for your next travel adventure. Remember, traveling is not only about the destination but also the journey itself. So, pack your bags, make wonderful memories, and explore the world. Safe travels, everyone. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment sharing your favorite travel tip. Until next time, happy travels!